I'm going to put this blank piece of paper in my hand and print something from here. Okay? But this time, I'm going to turn on the printer. This is how you do it. You put the coin on top of your thumb like that. And then the tip of your point finger is here, ready to pull. Actually, it's the thumb that pulls the coin backwards, inwards, into the hand like that. So that's what you do. It's just acting. Okay, and as you put your hand down, you're placing the coin into this grip, which is called the JW grip, like that. At the front, cannot be seen because it's hidden by the other fingers. You will have a curved hand to be able to hide a coin, and the other hand should have a similar position, so it doesn't look awkward. It doesn't look strange. It looks more natural if both hands and fingers are of the same position. And then with a little more acting, you just pinch your nose and drop the coin with a force into your other hand. Of course, you start with a card already printed on one side. But when you show it, put it in your palm, and then when you show it, you flick it with your thumb. Okay. Just a little practice, and you're going to be able to show both sides blank. Okay, makes the flick. And then first you put the piece of paper here on the fingers. Turn it around, and it will come out blank. Okay. The second turn, you put it closer to your palm, and then you turn around. Your wrist makes a turning motion, and now the printed side is on top. Then you press the button for printing, and then start printing. Very easy thing to do. To achieve the bouncing effect, you throw the object into the floor. At the same time, you stamp your foot on the floor to create a sound. This is the edge of the table. When your hand is no longer in the line of sight of your audience, your hand will make a flipping motion. That. One more time. It's all a matter of replacing what's in your left hand with what's in your right hand. Okay? You put your hand this way. You pinch the piece of paper here so that it's obvious to the audience that you're picking it up, while secretly leaving a new one behind. Okay? Present it, throw this away. When you throw this away, you're actually palming it, so it's still there. And we just repeat the motion. Okay. Pick and leave. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next magical moment.